Welcome to week 2 of the Data Analytics and Learning MOOC. In week 1, we spent a little bit of time just getting comfortable with the course, some of the topics, working with a range of different tools, distributed tools, and just getting familiarized with the landscape of both technologies for learning and the technologies for doing analytics work. In particular, we had 2 competences. One related to identifying a range of proprietary and open source tools that are used in learning analytics. This was the tool matrix that you downloaded and likely filled out and spent a bit of time searching resources that might fit into these proprietary and open source tool profiles. The second competency related to understanding what learning analytics are, so specifically detailing or defining learning analytics and looking at the kind of insights that they provide to educators. In this week, we have 3 competencies. In particular, we're going to start by looking at the learning analytics data cycle. This is sort of an abstracted view of what is it that we do with data and what does the process look like. Then you're going to spend some time working with Tableau and engaging in a range of actual analytics activities based on sample data sets, and you'll be using Tableau resources for tutorials and other aspects of learning the tool. And then the third competency relates to evaluating the impact of policy and strategic planning on the deployment of learning analytics. So this is a slight departure, but it's an important conversation to have early in the course so that you're aware of what role does learning analytics activity play in a broader organizational ecosystem. So the specific activities you're going to engage in, you're going to spend some time working with an assignment bank. That might not make a lot of sense to you right now, but once we get started with the course in this week, it'll make a lot more sense. You're working specifically in Tableau, but the important thing to understand is that it's not the tool. What we're trying to communicate at this stage is the data cycle, how to get a hold of data, how to massage it so you can do stuff with it, how to start to analyze it, and how to visualize it. So these are the key outcomes or the key intentions or activities you'll be engaged in during this week.